Hi, Attorney Joe McPeak with Virtuoso Criminal and DUI Lawyers. Today I'm going to be reading a review from Jared, who left this on our Google review site. I was charged with a felony case. I was looking for a lawyer for about a week, and it's hard to find a lawyer that agrees with monthly payments and is reasonable. Other lawyers want money up front, which is difficult, and I understand a lot of people are going through money situations. That's not the case. Virtuoso Criminal and DUI Lawyers at the best at those terms and will agree with the contract. Listen, thanks a lot for sharing that. We really stand by the payment plan model here. I mean, while it's very common for not just lawyers, but a lot of companies to demand upfront payment, we really stand by the payment plan model because an arrest or a criminal charge never comes at a convenient time. And fighting a felony charge, any criminal charge, but especially a felony charge, is already really stressful. And we don't want to add more financial stressors to that. You might be worried about bail, worried about paying court costs, the cost of maybe missing work because you have to come to court. It just mounts up and up. We really provide high quality legal representation here at a much more reasonable and flexible way, and it makes us way more accessible to people who need our services. Daniel and Joe really care about their clients, and they put all their time and hardworking effort for their clients to get the best possible outcome. I was really stressed out about my felony case, and it was eating me up every day. With Virtuoso, they work as a team to make me feel better every single day. Well, thank you. We're truly grateful for those words too. I like to say that our firm is kind of like a not too big, not too small situation. We're a 4-attorney firm right now, so if the attorney who's mainly been working on your case can't get to the phone or answer your messages, usually somebody else in this already very tight-knit team can usually get to you really soon and respond to your inquiries. We're not hard to reach. You can reach us through our case management app, through text message, through phone. We really pride ourselves on not charging hourly rates for client communications and also being super accessible either way and giving our clients updates at meaningful times, whether it's during a pre-scheduled meeting or sometimes when an idea for my client's case pops in my head, I just, call the client to make sure we know that progress is being made and we're working towards a reasonable game plan to get their lives back to normal. It's best to hire them soon. Virtuoso comes up with good game plans and ways to be prepared and things you need to do before they will help you out with their case. 100 out of 10, I recommend Virtuoso Lawyers. I've never seen a rating like that, but I can't argue with it. Just thank you so much for putting your trust in us. I really do believe that, when you're looking for a good legal representation, you want to find somebody who you feel can really maximize your odds and somebody who you really trust to do the work that's needed to handle your case. In some situations, there may be a way to broker or fight for even a dismissal of charges. And with the right approach, that can be done, or maybe some sort of reduction. The main goal is to make sure to get your life back normal as soon as possible, because you didn't choose the fight that the government is bringing at you when you're fighting a criminal charge. And it's our job and our responsibility to make your life easier, make the pain and the stress of your criminal charge go away as quickly, as efficiently as possible. It may not happen overnight, but I think the phrase you use, game plan, is really important. Like, how do we make this already horrible and unpredictable situation more predictable, more manageable? How do we lower the time? How do we lower your obligations to the court, to alleged victims? How do we lower the amount of time you might have to serve, what penalty? It's always about lowering that every step of the way. We swear by that as the work that we do. And thank you so much for trusting us to do it on your behalf. If you or a loved one are facing criminal charges, please give us a call.